Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher from Behria College's PNET. Before starting the unit, there are some learning objectives. Number 1 is at the end of the video, students will be able to enhance their reading skills. Number 2, explore some new words. Number 3, correct pronunciation of new words. Now students listen carefully. A person who takes all of the cookies in the house for himself, not sharing with anyone, he know others will want some, but he not share the cookies with them. What do you think? What type of person he is? He is greedy. Here are two things: desire and greed. Desire is someone or something wished for, while greed is a selfish or excessive desire for more than is needed or deserved. I hope you will guess the topic of this unit. It is greediness. This is a story named The Rice Cake. There are some difficult words and their meanings which helps you to understand the story. Number 1 word is bargain, an agreement between two or more people. Crept, someone moved closely and slowly along the ground, frozen in terror, so frightened that they could not be moved. Procession, the state of having controlling something. Appetite, desire for food. There are also some difficult words and their pronunciations. Disappeared, strike, bargain, crept, greedy, quilts, precious, procession, appetite, yelled, load, suddenly. This is a story about a person named Yi Jung lived in Korea. He loved to eat rice cakes and he was famous for it. There was only one person who loved to eat rice cakes more than him, was his wife. One evening his neighbor sent him 5 rice cakes. Ki Jung and his wife start eating rice cakes. They ate 4 rice cakes very quickly and fifth cake left on the table. They looked at it long and hard. Ki Jung decided, let us strike a bargain. The last rice cake go to the person who does not talk or move for the longest time. Now a thief came to their house and entered to the room where they both are sitting. Thief took 2 sleeping mats and 3 quilts. Then he noticed they both are not moving and talking. He thought they were frightened from him. So he carried the things and came back for more things. He took rice balls, chopsticks, spoons, soup balls, and many other things. But Ki Jung and his wife still sat there. While the thief went off all of their precious things, Ki Jung's wife yelled, "Stop, thief!" And Ki Jung said her, "You spoke first, now rice cake belongs to me." But when he looked around and saw there were no precious stuff remaining, suddenly his appetite had gone. I hope you understand the story. Now I have some home task for you. Read the unit 2 or 3 times and learn pronunciation of difficult words on page number 8 and 9. Here is also a worksheet. After watching the video, students will be able to complete this worksheet. Underline difficult words in workbook. Do words meaning in copy and read the unit number 1, the rice cake, on page number 8 and 9. I hope you understand the unit very well. Thank you, students.